Magandang araw! I am Jamaica Denise El Tejio, portraying as Francisca Reyes Aquino, known as the mother of Philippine folk dance. I did not create the folk dances and songs we know today. Instead, I traveled across many provinces to collect, record, and teach them so that they would never be forgotten. One of these is Lubi Lubi, a traditional folk song and dance that originated from the Bicol region and Visayas. The word lubi means coconut, which is an important crop in the Philippines. The dance and song are usually performed during town fiestas and special occasions to honor the coconut tree. It is often performed in playful manner with actions or gestures imitating the uses of coconut. Lubi-lubi is just one of the many traditional dances and songs that I preserve and shared. May we continue to value our culture, for it is our true identity as Filipinos. Allow me to show you a sample.